Good morning, children. How are you all? So, today I am going to teach you rolling board and rolling pin with the help of clay. So, let's start. First of all, make a big circle with any color of clay and give shape of rolling board. Like this, and make small 3 balls for stand and join with rolling board like this, and your rolling board is ready. Now for rolling pin, I will choose yellow color of clay. Make a circle and then give shape of rolling pin like this. रोलिंग पिन को साइड से थोड़ा थिन और बीच में हम इसको थोड़ा मोटा ही रखेंगे. ओके, सो अब हम रोलिंग पिन की शेप देंगे. Now children, your rolling pin is ready. Your rolling board and rolling pin is ready. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.